We have in our previous class done the short question answers of chapter 2. So today we will do the long question answers of chapter 2. Okay. So the first question is, what safety rules should be followed at school? Mention any 4. Student, in this you have to write the 4 safety rules that we should follow whenever we are in school. Okay, and we have already discussed that we should not run inside the class, do not play any game or any outdoor game inside the class, do not fight, hit or push your classmates, and do not use any sharp object like blades to sharpen your pencil. Always use a sharpener and do not throw the things at your friends. Okay, so let's see the answer of this question 1. Answer 1 is, the safety rules should be followed at school are: do not run inside the class, do not play inside the class, do not fight, hit or push your classmates, and the fourth one is, do not climb or jump on desk and benches. Okay, so student, next question 2 is, describe any 4 safety rules to be followed on road. Here student, you have to write the 4 safety rules that we should follow whenever we are on the road. So as we have discussed that we should not play on the road, do not run on the road, always walk on the footpath. Okay, and if you have to cross the road, look at to your right side, left side, and cross the road whenever the road is clear. Okay, so these are the safety rules that we have to follow whenever we are on road. So we have to write any 4 safety rules. So let's see the answer. 2. The 4 safety rules to be followed on the road are: do not run on the road, do not play on the road, always follow the traffic signals, and cross the road always at the zebra crossing. Okay, next is question 3 is, what are the safety rules that we should follow in the playground? Student, here you have to write the safety rules that we should follow whenever we are in the playground. So as we have discussed, at the time of playing we do not fight with our friends and do not play barefoot. Want to take a ride on the swing, then we should wait for our turn and stand at a distance from the swing. Okay, and always follow the rules of the game whatever we are playing. So let's see the answer of this question number 3. Answer 3 is, the safety rules that we should follow in the playground are: do not fight or hit others while playing, do not play barefoot, do not push or pull others while climbing the slide, and wait for your turn on the swing. Okay, so this is the answer of your question number 3. Next student, question number 4 is, what is a first aid box? What first aid would you give to a wounded person? In this question student, first you have to explain what is first aid box. You have to write the definition of first aid box, and then you have to write the first aid that you would provide to a wounded person. So student, as we have already discussed that first thing is, what is first aid? So first aid is a first or the immediate help given to the injured person before the doctor arrives, and a timely first aid can save a life of a person. After that, the first aid box is a box that contains the things that require to give first aid. Okay, and what are the first aid that we should give to a wounded person are that make the wounded person, first we have to make the wounded person comfortable, and we have to keep that wounded part at an elevated level, just at a height. Clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion, and if wound is deep, then we should consult a doctor immediately. Take the injured person to the doctor immediately. So let's see the answer of this question number 4. Answer 4 is, the first aid box is a box that contains things required for first aid, and the first aid that we should give to a wounded person are: make the wounded person comfortable, keep the wounded part at an elevated level, clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion, And the last one is, if wound is deep, take him to a doctor immediately. We should consult or we should take that injured person to the doctor immediately. So student, these are the answers of your exercise E. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.